Hey guys, what's up? It's Samurai here. You know who I am. But all I'm saying is, I got the dock, and this is Nintendo's greatest invention that's come out so far. This Velcro strips. All you gotta do is pull it inside the dock. I'll show you how to do it. This side here, I don't know if you can see it in the light, but this side's been done. I'll put the Velcro in there. So let's pop one Velcro on together. Nintendo, why couldn't you just do this yourself, Nintendo? But Nintendo's probably saying, hey, everyone can do it themselves. Just buy the accessories from somewhere else. Why did the third party companies have to step in and, you know, do it for you? Alright, well, if you want to know where I got the Velcros from, I got the Velcros for, I think it was £3 off eBay. They do sell them. Alright, let's go put one of these Velcros on together. Alright, so a little bit, I got no nails. I got no nails, guys. I got no nails. Right. Okay, I'm gonna try another one because it's gonna take me too long to do that one. Where's my nails gone? Alright, here we go. I'll just simply pull this off. The Velcro. And you line it up. There we go. So on there, and all you got to do, Nintendo, was this. There we go. That's a lot, Nintendo. All you gotta do is kind of have it on a little envelope thing like this. And then you just pop it in. Simple. Line it up, pop it in. Alright. There goes that. You just pull this and slip it on. There we go. Perfect. Now, I have no worries about docking my Switch because there's Velcro in there. What a simple thing. What a simple thing that Nintendo didn't do, hey? Oh well. And the camera looks crooked because it's off axis, but yeah, I think that works. There we go. Hey. Beautiful, I just want you to know you're my favorite thing. It's better than plastic on plastic, isn't it? And to be honest as well, it's like it fits more firmly in. I found the solution to what Nintendo didn't have. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.